An art installation titled Comedian, which consists of a banana affixed to a wall with duct tape, will soon be auctioned off. The selling price is anticipated to reach up to $1.5 million.
바나나 한 개를 덕테이프로 벽에 붙여놓은 설치 미술 작품 코미디언이 경매에 붙여집니다. 예상 판매가는 최대 150만 달러로 추정됩니다. Okay, so
That's a lot of money.
that's a lot of money for a banana.
We have a lot of messages already. 이은미님 says, 초파리 꼬일 텐데. There'll be a lot of fruit flies. 탐킴님 says, 참, 석에 저 정도인가 싶더라고요. 기발하기도 하지만. So I actually read about this. 저도 그 초파리 아니면 그냥 섞지 않을까 했는데
Right.
they actually change the banana every 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
So while it's being exhibited, while it's on display, it is being changed every 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
And the person who wins this auction, they will be receiving a new banana and a new piece of tape.
아니 그래서 that was my question. Is like, oh, if you buy it
Yes.
at the auction, then what happens? So we have a little surprise. Our 작가님 is coming into the studio.
Oh, our 작가님, she is our artist.
We have our own version.
So we don't have comedian. What would be a 개그맨? 이거 개그맨.
개그맨으로
이거
하면
개그맨으로 해야죠. 이거 그 보이는 라디오 보시면 we have a 이거 귤인가요?
우리 JB PD님의 만든 네, 작품입니다.
와우.
네, 귤이에요.
귤.
귤을 테이프로 이렇게 딱 했어요.
아, 근데 이거 그 덕테이프 아니고 메스킹 테이프이고.
덕테이프는 아니고요.
그래서 테이프는 오래 가지 않더라도 바나나보다 귤이 오래 가잖아요.
자, 우리 캐머런 선생님, 우리는 이거는 얼마를 받을까요? 옥션에.
바나나는 뭐 1.5 million이면 이거 1.5 billion으로 받아야 하지 않을까요?
와, 정말.
1조?
Okay.
15조? 모르겠어요. 여러분 사연 보내주세요. 얼마나
예, 우리 유튜브 보이는 라디오 꼭 보세요, 지금.
네,
500원?
귤 하나는 얼마죠?
500원? 아, 귤 하나?
귤 하나가
한
얼마죠?
봉지로 나오니까 I don't know how much
그렇죠.
that is.
단가는 어떻게 되는지.
Okay. Okay, 자, 우리 네. That was our work of our evening specials art installation.
Yes,
Thank you for that,
it's true.
JB. Brilliant idea.
But we do have to say
What?
The artist and many of the people in the art world are not saying that the banana itself is the art.
Yeah.
They're kind of saying that the banana on the piece of tape
Yeah.
is art. And it's making fun of the art world. 그 현대 그 예술 시장을 살짝 조롱하는 거예요.
아하.
이것만 해도 사람들이 이만큼을 살 거다.
Okay.
So don't look at the actual thing as art.
Okay.
The artist does understand that this is ridiculous.
Yeah. Okay. So it's a bit of a poking fun.
Yeah, it's a message.
Okay.
And obviously we are talking about it. So
it's
his message did say something.
Yeah, his plan worked. 여기 제가 한글을 읽을 때 duct, 테이프로 했는데, right? Okay, but in English we don't actually the T is hardly noticeable.
Yeah, usually I would say duck. Like duck,
duct tape.
오리 tape.
Yes, that's right.
That's usually how I would say it.
DUCT는 맞지만 duct tape보다는 그냥 duct tape.
Duct tape.
네, 이렇게 돼요. Okay? All right. Installation, of course, art installation is just,
설치하는 거죠.
네, 그냥 설치 미술.
Yeah.
요새 좀 인기가 많죠. Okay. I'm not sure, interesting, but I don't think I would, even if I had the money, I don't think I would pay that much money.
I don't know. But maybe you can, if you want your house to be beautiful, just start putting fruit on the wall. Because it's art.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right, let me read that one more time. An art installation titled Comedian, which consists of a banana affixed to a wall with duct tape, will soon be auctioned off. The selling price is anticipated to reach up to $1.5 million.